Hi guys, thanks for choosing my video. This is a wrap up of the dashboard rebuild and upgrade in our 93 Thompson 26-foot boat. The original dash had become brittle and had many stress cracks and fractures. The original wiring was not up to grade. Many add-ons had been installed over the years, and much of the wiring was left behind when the changes were made. Most of the fuse holders were non-functional and several didn't function properly. The new dash consisted of 60 thousandths aluminum, and gauges were converted to NEMA 2000 protocol and fed to two Simrad Go 7s. Wiring was replaced. All fuses were replaced with appropriate size breakers. All of the switches were replaced with Carly red backlit switches. The Bennett trim tab joystick was replaced with two separate switches for port and starboard. Unfortunately, Simrad limits how the gauges can be configured in the Go 7. Therefore, I have two unused gauges that can't be removed. One says load, and the other says economy. There are also two linear gauges, one for trim and one for fuel. The unit is for the charts and side scan, and they're interchangeable because they share the same data line. I was going to reinstall the TAC for the Yamaha auxiliary motor, but decided not to. It makes for a cleaner install. When I reassembled the cabin, I installed another dome light. Wiring is quite accessible. The white USB cable you see is for programming the RS11 NEMA 2000 interface. Final calibrations will be completed next spring when we launch it. Installed a 12-volt outlet. I don't think it can be used for a cigarette lighter because of the plastic construction. I also installed a dual USB port for phones and laptops. The labels for the breakers are an experiment. They're printed on a heavy-duty laminate and covered with a heavy-duty clear laminate. Since the dash really gets wet, I think they will last for years. I still need to touch up around the switches where I slipped with the cutter. They look good from 20 feet. Where I remove the lower switches, trim till, bend it trim to have joysticks, other switches, I'll make a simple knee pad to cover up the holes. Where the compass used to be, I'll make a wooden cover for that and put a cup holder in the middle. That about wraps it up, except for some small fiddly bits. I'll call the project done. Drop me a comment. Tell me what you think of the project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment, even if negative. Also hit the like button. I'm only about 500 subs and 900 hours watch time from monetizing this channel. Thank you.